Sometimes you notice that when you press your wiper washer in order to clean the windscreen, the water is not coming out. But it's not that the pump is bad. The pump is okay. It's pumping water very well. But it's just that it's not pumping out enough water, or sometimes the nozzles will be blocked. There's a tip I would like to give you that solves that problem. You know, most times we used to add water ourselves, you know. Instead of going to the shop to buy the approved water we can put on the wiper washer, sometimes we used to mix water with detergents and pour in ourselves. But this is where the tips gonna help you. Never you use a detergent. You know, those are powdered detergents. Never you use it, because it's not all the particles of that detergent that dissolves in water. So what happens is that when you put detergent, you put it inside water, you just stir it, and you pour inside your wiper washer container. Not all those detergents will dissolve. Some will still remain solid, no matter how long they're gonna stay in your reservoir. Then when you pump, they will be accumulating at the nozzle. So sometimes you notice that water are not coming out. And it's not that the pump is bad. The pump is very, very good. It's working perfectly well. But it's just that the nozzles are blocked. So in order not to allow this to happen, it's either you use a liquid soap. Very, very important. Use a liquid soap. Try to dissolve it inside water separately and make sure that it dissolves well before you pour into the wiper washer reservoir. With liquid soap, you can never get it wrong. But with detergent, with powdered soap, the particles doesn't dissolve. All the particles doesn't dissolve in water. So that's where the problem is coming from. So try as much as possible to use liquid soap when you're trying to mix water that you can pour inside your wiper washer container. Try and make sure that you have you're putting a clean water. If possible, you filter the water. Like if you want to get a perfect result, filter the water. Use a liquid soap, stir it very well, and pour inside. It will be perfectly well. Your nozzles will not be blocked. The water will come out free, and you will notice the pressure is high because it's gonna come out to cover the whole screen very well, so that your wipers can wipe very well. Or to save the stress, you can, there's some they sell at the shops, like £3, £2. You can buy 4 liters of it and keep it in your car and be using it. So that's just it. It's very, very helpful, because you know, this period of rain, you need your wiper very active, because of it's part of the safety features of the vehicle. So you need it very active, and so that your vision will always be sharp. It's not going to be blurred. Yeah, so that's just it. Well done.